Hello dear fans. How to find body impulse. The concept of momentum was introduced into physics by the French scientist René Descartes. Descartes himself called this quantity not an impulse, but the amount of motion. The term impulse appeared later. The physical quantity equal to the product of the mass of the body by its speed is called the impulse of the body, P equals m*v. Only moving bodies have impulse. The unit of impulse in the International System of Units is kg*meter per second, 1 kg*m/s. For momentum, a fundamental law of nature is valid, called the law of conservation of momentum. Instructions. Step 1. To calculate the desired value, it is necessary to match the units of measurement of the two quantities included in the formula. One of these quantities that determines the momentum of a body is mass. Mass is a measure of the body's inertia. The greater the mass of a body, the more difficult it is to change the speed of that body. For example, a cabinet weighing 500 kilograms is more difficult to move than a cabinet weighing 100 kilograms, and it is obvious that the resistance of the first cabinet to the force trying to change its speed is greater than that of the second. The mass is measured in kilograms in the International System of Units. If the mass is not given in kilograms, then it should be translated. The following measurements of this quantity are found: tons, grams, milligrams, centners, etc. Example: 60 equals 6,000 kilograms, 350 g equals 0.35 kilograms. Step 2. Another quantity on which the impulse depends directly is speed. If the body is at rest, velocity is zero, then the momentum is zero. As the speed increases, the body's momentum increases. Momentum is a vector quantity with a direction that coincides with the direction of the body's velocity vector. Measure the speed in meters per second, 1 m/s. When finding an impulse, the speed should be converted to m/s. In the case when its measurement is given in km/h. To convert to m/s, you need to multiply the numerical value of the speed by 1000 and divide by 3600. Example: 54 km per hour equals 54 * 1000/30 600 equals 15 meters per second. Step 3. So, to determine the momentum of a body, two quantities are multiplied, mass and speed. P equals m*v. Example 1. It is necessary to find the impulse of a running man weighing 60 kilograms. It runs at a speed of 6 km/h. Solution: first, the speed is converted to m/s. 6 km per hour equals 6 times 1000 divided by 3600 is equal to 1.7 m/s. Further, according to the formula, P equals 60 kilograms * 1.7 meters per second equals 100 kg * m/s. Example 2. Find the impulse of a vehicle at rest with a mass of 6 tons. This problem may not be solved. The momentum of a non-moving body is zero. Thanks for watching.